Yep, guys, we're getting hit with snow. It's coming down pretty good. Whew. Yep, it's coming down. You guys got it, and now we're getting it. Whew. It's a little windy out here. Yepper, it's a coming down. Been coming down since, 7 o'clock this morning? Yeah. Getting there. It's blowing. Crunch, crunch. I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get. I'll have to watch the weather. But tomorrow's going to be really bad. And then talking about Friday getting ice, rain. Ugh. Okay, I'm going back inside. Get warm. Bye, guys.
Will be out throughout the night and tomorrow as the snowfall continues. Officials are urging residents to limit their travel if they can. For now, reporting live in Cheektowaga, Sarah Mikowitz, News 4.
Thank you, Sarah. Of course, Western New York not alone in all this. Half of all U.S. states are in the path of dangerous winter storms that are bringing snow, ice, and frigid cold to millions. Elise Preston has more on this.
A firestorm of winter weather caused this in Cairo, Louisiana, after a transform of blue. Stranded cars on slippery highways in Little Rock, Arkansas, and brought dangerous sub-zero temperatures to Minneapolis, where the low is forecast to dip to -18.
Just move. There's plenty of movement we can do. As we're moving boxes that are about 30 pounds at least, if not more, and just move fast.
The cold is a major concern in Texas, where snow covers the sand in Galveston. Millions of homes and businesses have lost power, and there's a state of emergency. Record-breaking use strained the system, leading to rolling blackouts.
The next few days are going to be very tough. To those who have lost power, I know you are frustrated, I know you're miserable, I know you're uncomfortable.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott is calling up the National Guard to help move people in warming centers.
The ultra-low temperatures will last for several days, meaning that what becomes frozen will remain frozen for a long period of time.
Conditions are already treacherous. A truck lost control near Austin, and this man barely escaped when a car crashed into a police cruiser in Shellenbrook.
Ooh.
Is the enemy in Portland, Oregon. The weight of it collapsed the roof of a Safeway store and elsewhere snapped trees. 200 million Americans are under weather alerts and warnings. Elise Preston, CBS News.
And this storm is already curbing the vaccine rollout in Niagara County. The Health Department of Niagara County is postponing tomorrow's clinic at the Keenan Center in Lockport. This clinic was for people receiving their second shot of the vaccine. Appointments for tomorrow can be rescheduled Wednesday or Thursday.
And the coronavirus.
They say we're supposed to get at least between 8 and 14 inches of snow. I'm not going anywheres. Other than to take the dog out, that's it. I'm in the house. I'm trying to get to feel better. I'm going to have to call the doctor tomorrow and find out what is going on. I just feel like crap. Like, I'm so tired. I just don't know what it is. I don't have a fever. It's just my body does hurt a little bit. I don't know what it is. So, but anyways, I hope you all stay safe and you have a good night. I'm just trying to finish up some projects for a swap. So, alright everybody, have a good night.